fine 2-second lean people. Just going to show you an improvement we've made this week, which is, if I can just, we've got Milwalkie batteries that we use for our rattle guns, and usually they would be just hanging about here in the back of the ute, which is a mess. So we've started improvements. So what we've done is I've printed up on our new 3D printer some of these Milwalkie battery holders. So we've put a piece of form ply on the back here, covered in some nice carpet, and I've mounted 2 of the Milwalkie holders. So that's good. So they're all charged, ready to go. But if we've got a flat one, what should we do? So this is the improvement on the improvement. So what I'm doing now is I'm printing up another Milwalkie battery holder, but this time in white. So I'm using a different filament color, and we'll put that next to those. So when the battery is flat, we can hook it up on a white holder, and that will indicate that that battery needs to be charged, and we can visually see that. So there's no, hopefully no mistakes to let the ute go out without any charged batteries. So yeah, just printing this up now. This is the Flash Forge 3D printer we've bought about a week or so ago, thanks to Phil. Yeah, Phil's got one of these as well, so he put me onto this, and it's been a real game changer. Not only have we been able to print some knickknacks and hobby stuff for, you know, maybe around the office for the desks. What can I? So I've got this holds my sticky notes. So we printed that. So that needs to be set in place and labelled and finished off. We've printed well, this is our first print, which is a pen holder. Because we're in the business of tyres, we've printed a tyre pen holder. So that was a bit quirky. One of the other advantages is this is a hub ring. So this hub ring I printed, I made it in SketchUp and then printed it in the 3D printer. I put all the dimensions in myself. That's going to go inside an alloy wheel in the hub, and that will take up some gap. I'm not sure if you can see that there. Gap between the alloy wheel internal diameter to the hub of the car. So that's probably something we can continue to use. But anyway, more improvements to come. That's a couple so far.